Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got some subscriber mail, some happy mail, some friend mail. I am, oh my gosh, yeah, just, you guys, you're too cute. But yes, I knew that this was coming. I'd been given a bit of a heads up about it, and I've had a little peek to make sure that it was what I thought it was. But let's get inside. Okay, so we will start off with a card. Although, oh, I can see amazing things. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Oh my goodness. Right. So, this very much handmade card, beautiful, so lovely. I am here for you, rain or shine, she says. So this is from the lovely Roxy. Just sending me love and hugs and hoping that I'm feeling a bit better as I'd been under the weather. Wanting to send me some bits to make me smile. You are too kind. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Okay, right. Let's remove this because this is the thing I could see already. So, this is comes from Happy Planner and is like a massive hole punch essentially, but it's designed to cut out little pictures that will then fit in your planner. So I am very excited to try this out. It's not, I've seen people use it, but I've never used it myself. So I'm going to read the instructions before I don't want to break it the first time I'm using it. But yeah, so you would slide your picture in here and then hole punch, and it would cut you a little picture exactly the right size to go into your planners. So yeah, thank you. That is like seriously a luxury item for my life. Oh my gosh, wow, this is beautiful. Little zip pouch. Oh wow, I have never seen the like hammer beads, like the melty beads. I've never seen ones that tiny. Those, oh my gosh, I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick up how detailed that is. That's like some mandala mosaic. Oh gosh, that's stunning. It's so delicate. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, it's not the only thing in there. And a little paper clip. Oh, we love stationery in this house. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh gosh, spoiled. This is naughty. Oh my gosh. So this is from Happy Planner. Wow. This is my my diamond painting log planner. So it's a Happy Planner but for diamond painting. Does that make sense? So you go in there. Go in. Oh my gosh. Oh, I should have done the other side first. Okay. Should I? I don't know. No, it goes under there. There we go. Wow. Oh my gosh. I am spoiled. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Planning stickers. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm speechless. Thank you. Thank you so much. I just, oh, there, honestly, Roxy, there are no words. This is so thoughtful and kind, and oh god, thank you. Let's move this box out of the way. Oh, these are brilliant. So, thank you. Just stunning. I'm gonna need to go and take a minute because I'm a bit over emotion and people just being just being lovely. Oh, you peeps. Okay. This little channel is, you guys, you're like my family now, which sounds really cheesy, but as a lot of you know, I without, not a sob story, but I struggle with agoraphobia, and so I don't go out except on very rare occasions where I have no choice. So I'm stuck at home a lot, and the YouTube community and social media has really helped me to feel less alone. And knowing that somebody who, anyone that has seen my videos or I've chatted to online has cared enough to put pen to paper, send me an email, send me a gift. Just, oh my god, you have no idea how much it means. I don't even think I have words. I don't know. My channel was just an outlet for me to share the things that I enjoyed, and if other people enjoy those too, then that's just a massive bonus. And I want to be able to now reciprocate that back to you guys. So if there's things that you want to see on the channel, things that you want me to do, please let me know, because I want this to be like a mutual thing where I'm making content that you want to see, as well as doing things that I enjoy. Yeah, but the fact that people would reach out and send me gifts is just, it's beautiful and wonderful, and I love it. Thank you so much. Honestly, I am so grateful from the bottom of my heart, and please know how incredibly generous I believe this to be, and just, yeah. Okay, on that note, and before my voice cracks, I'm gonna leave this here. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, all that YouTubey stuff. Patrons will be at the end of the video. They are, again, some of the people that make me doing this so much easier, because this channel is not monetized through YouTube. I don't get any ad revenue, there's none of that, and yeah, essentially this is my job. So yeah, I am, again, amazingly, hugely grateful to those of you that are able to pop a couple of dollars my way each month. I love you all so much. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go. I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.
I just want to take this opportunity to give a huge shout out and thanks to my generous patrons. That is, in the outer circle, John Chidlow, Dylan Falconer and the wonderful Maisie's Madhouse. Find her on YouTube. And in the inner circle, the lovely Katerina Seplova.